Imagine everything you've ever known, your friends, your home, your coffee this morning, even your body itself, being completely different from what you've always believed. Picture a universe that's not just mysterious, but astonishingly stranger than our wildest imaginations. Welcome, cosmic wanderers, to a journey into the extraordinary. Today we're diving deep into the 6 most mind-bending, reality-shattering space theories that could change everything you think you know about existence. First, let's ignite our curiosity with the theory of the simulation hypothesis. Could it be that our universe isn't real at all, but instead a vast, hyper-detailed digital simulation run by an unimaginably advanced civilization? Think about it. If future beings gain enough computational power to simulate entire universes down to the smallest atom, odds are we're living in one right now. Every star you see, every grain of sand, every heartbeat could just be lines of cosmic code. Physicists have even begun hunting for glitches, tiny, telltale signs embedded in the fabric of reality itself. If proven true, this theory wouldn't just shift our perception, it'd fundamentally rewrite the meaning of existence itself. But hold on to your neurons, because our next concept is even wilder: the multiverse theory. Imagine not just one universe, but countless universes, possibly infinite, each with its own laws of physics, its own galaxies, and maybe even its own version of you. Every decision you make, every choice you've pondered, is playing out simultaneously in parallel realities. In another universe, you might be an astronaut, a rock star, or a completely different form of life. Cosmologists exploring cosmic inflation and quantum mechanics suggest that this astonishing multiverse could be real. It means your entire reality is just one cosmic drop in an endless ocean of possibilities. Now brace yourself, because theory number 3 takes our understanding of the cosmos into even more surreal territory. It's called the holographic universe theory. Imagine the 3-dimensional universe we perceive is actually an illusion, a kind of hologram projected from a flat, 2-dimensional surface far out on the cosmic horizon. Everything around us, galaxies, black holes, planets, even our own bodies, could simply be encoded data on a cosmic screen. Mind-blowing? Absolutely. But physicists studying black hole information paradoxes and quantum gravity find intriguing evidence that this radical concept might indeed describe the fundamental structure of reality itself. Feeling amazed yet? Good, because theory number 4 goes deep into the mysteries of gravity. Modified Newtonian dynamics, or MOND. Gravity seems simple, right? Apples fall, planets orbit, end of story. Well, maybe not. MOND proposes that our current theories of gravity, based on Newton and Einstein, might be incomplete or even fundamentally incorrect. Instead of invoking mysterious dark matter to explain galactic movements, what if gravity behaves differently at enormous distances? Galaxies spinning faster than predicted could be explained by subtle tweaks to gravitational laws. If MOND turns out to be true, we'd need to rewrite textbooks, reshape cosmology, and perhaps discard the entire concept of dark matter entirely. Next up, we plunge into the deep cosmic waters of the ekpyrotic universe, a concept suggesting our universe wasn't born from a Big Bang, but instead emerged from the fiery collision of 2 colossal, higher-dimensional cosmic membranes. Picture 2 infinitely huge brains drifting silently through higher-dimensional space, periodically crashing into each other. Each collision sparks a new universe into existence. Unlike the traditional Big Bang theory, which struggles to explain what caused the universe to explode into being, the ekpyrotic theory elegantly answers that very question. Our universe could just be one bounce in an endless cycle of cosmic rebirths. The universe, then, might be eternal, cyclical, and astonishingly different from anything we've imagined before. And finally, let's dive into one of the most profoundly unsettling yet captivating theories, the concept known as quantum immortality. Emerging from quantum mechanics, this theory suggests that consciousness might persist indefinitely due to infinite branching universes. Imagine you're in a life-threatening situation. According to Quantum Immortality, you'll always find yourself continuing to exist in universes where you miraculously survive, no matter how improbable. Essentially, your consciousness might never experience death. It would merely shift universes, continually escaping demise. While controversial and deeply philosophical, quantum immortality pushes the limits of reality, consciousness, and existence itself, raising profound questions about life, death, and what it truly means to exist. These 6 theories stretch the very fabric of our imagination and remind us that when we look up into the night sky, we're not just observing stars and galaxies. We're confronting profound mysteries about our universe, our reality, and ourselves. The cosmos isn't just vast, it's infinitely stranger and more wondrous than we ever dreamed. Venturing even further into the cosmic unknown, we encounter theories that continue to challenge our grasp of reality and leave scientists and philosophers alike questioning the very foundation of existence itself. Take, for instance, the astonishing concept known as loop quantum gravity. This theory bravely seeks to reconcile the elusive worlds of quantum mechanics and general relativity by proposing that space-time itself is not continuous, but rather composed of tiny, discrete loops woven into an unimaginably intricate cosmic fabric. Picture the universe as an immense tapestry stitched together from threads billions of times smaller than an atom. Space and time aren't infinitely smooth. Instead, they come in quantized packets, little grains of reality that vibrate and connect. If loop quantum gravity proves correct, it might finally explain what happens at the singularity inside black holes, or even how the universe behaved at the instant of its birth. Space and time would no longer be mere stages where physics happens. They would be active, living participants in the cosmic drama itself. Now, let's explore a theory that turns reality on its head, literally. The intriguing idea known as the mirror universe hypothesis. Imagine a parallel universe existing alongside our own, identical yet entirely reversed, like your reflection in a cosmic mirror. In this reversed reality, time might run backward, matter could behave differently, and fundamental particles could display properties opposite to those observed in our universe. Remarkably, physicists investigating strange anomalies in particle physics suggest that evidence of such a mirror universe might even be subtly interacting with our own, detectable through unusual phenomena like mysterious neutrino behavior. Could we someday directly glimpse this bizarre mirrored world, rewriting our fundamental understanding of symmetry and reality?
If you're ready for more mind-bending contemplation, consider the conformal cyclic cosmology theory, proposed by renowned physicist Roger Penrose. This theory suggests that the universe undergoes endless cycles, transitioning smoothly from the end of one cosmic epoch into the beginning of another, without a singular catastrophic event. Instead of a single Big Bang, imagine the universe gracefully resetting itself infinitely, erasing the traces of previous cycles while subtly leaving behind faint echoes, like fingerprints imprinted in the cosmic microwave background radiation. Each cosmic cycle births new galaxies, new stars, and potentially entirely new forms of physics. If confirmed, this elegant cyclical vision would transform how we understand cosmic time, eternity, and our ultimate fate in the grand universal dance. But what if everything we see is just a projection, an elaborate illusion carefully constructed from quantum entanglement? Enter the bizarre realm of the quantum gravity theory. This startling proposal suggests that space itself emerges from a complex quantum network. Think of the universe as a giant quantum computer running calculations, with reality as its computational output. At extremely high temperatures and energy densities, this quantum network resembles a molten web. As the universe cooled, the network froze into the structured space we inhabit today. Quantum gravity isn't merely an abstract puzzle, it's an entirely new vision of reality, where the universe is the ultimate quantum computer, and space itself emerges from a deeper, hidden quantum reality. And speaking of hidden reality, we must confront the strange and captivating notion of the anthropic principle. This philosophical and scientific idea argues that the universe's fundamental constants, the strength of gravity, electromagnetic forces, and nuclear interactions, appear finely tuned specifically to allow life to exist. Alter any of these constants by just a tiny fraction, and stars wouldn't form, chemistry wouldn't function, and life, at least as we know it, would be impossible. Could our universe be intentionally configured? Or do we simply exist in a fortunate pocket among countless lifeless universes? The anthropic principle forces us to question not only science, but also the very meaning behind existence itself. And finally, stretching our minds to their very limits, let's explore the possibility of panpsychism, the radical concept that consciousness itself is a fundamental property woven into the very fabric of reality. Imagine consciousness not as something unique to brains, but as a basic feature of all matter, from atoms and particles up through galaxies themselves. In this worldview, the universe itself might be conscious in a subtle, all-pervasive way. Panpsychism challenges the sharp line we draw between living and non-living matter, opening new frontiers in philosophy and physics, potentially reshaping our understanding of consciousness, existence, and the cosmos itself. These theories reveal that our universe isn't merely complex, it's breathtakingly extraordinary. Every new idea reshapes what we believe reality to be, continually expanding the boundaries of human imagination and knowledge. As we peer deeper into the universe, we find ourselves not only discovering more about the cosmos, but also questioning the very nature of reality itself.